Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we compare products in the same category to help you make an informed buying decision. Today, we have two drones on the table, the Holy Stone HS440 drone and the RADCLO Mini Drone with camera. Let's dive in and see how these drones stack up against each other in various categories. When it comes to capturing stunning aerial shots, having a good camera is crucial. The Holy Stone HS440 drone boasts a 1080p HD auto-adjustable camera with a 112 degrees wide-angle lens. This allows you to capture breathtaking aerial scenery and every wonderful moment from a bird's-eye perspective. On the other hand, the RADCLO Mini Drone comes with a 1080p HD 90 degrees manually adjustable lens, giving you a wider field of view for those epic shots. Both drones offer impressive camera capabilities, but the Holy Stone HS440 drone takes the lead with its auto-adjustable feature. Long flight time is essential for uninterrupted aerial exploration. The Holy Stone HS440 drone comes with a powerful modular battery that provides up to 20 minutes of flight time. This allows you to capture and explore more of your surroundings. On the other hand, the RADCLO Mini Drone comes with two PC's 800 mAh batteries, giving you a total flight time of 22 minutes. While both drones offer decent battery life, the RADCLO Mini Drone edges ahead with its longer flight time. Portability is a key factor to consider, especially if you're planning to take your drone on the go. The Holy Stone HS440 drone features a foldable frame, making it compact and easy to carry. It even comes with a carrying case to ensure hassle-free transportation. Similarly, the RADCLO Mini Drone comes with a carrying case, making it convenient for outdoor travel. Both drones offer great portability options, making them suitable for adventurers and travelers alike. Let's talk about the additional features that these drones bring to the table. The Holy Stone HS440 drone offers intelligent functions such as emergency stop, headless mode, and altitude hold. It also has automatic takeoff and precise hovering, ensuring a streamlined and safe flying experience. The RADCLO Mini Drone, on the other hand, offers a range of functions including high-speed rotation, circle fly, gesture control, and 3D flip. Both drones provide a variety of features to enhance your flying experience. Overall, the reviewers have praised both drones for their performance and features. The Holy Stone HS440 drone is highly regarded for its camera capabilities and efficient customer service. On the other hand, the RADCLO Mini Drone is praised for its longer flight time and versatile features. It's important to consider your specific needs and preferences when making a decision. And there you have it, a comparison between the Holy Stone HS440 drone and the RADCLO Mini Drone with camera. While the Holy Stone HS440 drone excels in camera capabilities and the RADCLO Mini Drone offers longer flight time, both drones have their unique strengths. It's important to consider your specific needs and preferences when making a decision. Don't forget to check the description box below for more information and links to these products. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more product comparisons. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video on Buy Smart.